Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. So, I welcome you all to your grammar class, and in this grammar class, we will study about nouns. So, let's begin. A noun is a word used for a person, place, animal, thing, and even an emotion. Everything we can see or talk about is represented by a word that names it. That naming word is called a noun. That's why nouns are also called naming words. There are five kinds of nouns, that is, proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, material nouns, and abstract nouns. And in this video, we will do proper nouns and common nouns. So, the first kind of noun that we will discuss is a proper noun. The nouns which name a particular person, place, or thing are called proper nouns. And proper nouns include people's names like Mahatma Gandhi, Harry Potter, Anil Kumar, etc. They also include names of the months like April, May, June, etc. Proper nouns also include names of the days of the week like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. They also include names of festivals like Diwali, Holi, Christmas, etc. Proper nouns also include names of countries and their capitals like India, New Delhi, London, and so on. It also includes names of people who live in a country like Indians, Americans, etc. Proper nouns also include names of oceans, lakes, seas, rivers, and mountains like the Indian Ocean, the Himalayas, the Dead Sea, Mount Everest, etc. Now, one thing to note here is that a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. So, the next kind of noun is a common noun. The nouns which name a class of people, buildings, things, objects, birds, animals, etc., which are similar or have common characteristics are called common nouns. And they include names for people of same class like carpenter, magician, farmer, teacher, doctor, etc. Mean these are the common names for the people who do the same kind of work. For example, any person who makes or repairs wooden furniture is known as a carpenter. All right. And common nouns also include names of buildings like bank, school, hotel, etc. Okay, these are the common names. But if we are talking about a particular bank, for example, the State Bank of India, then it will be a proper noun. All right, this you will get to know in detail when we will do exercises. Okay. Common nouns also include names of animals like fox, cow, monkey, whale, etc. It also includes names of things, objects, tools, and machines like table, chair, box, pencil, fan, computer, telephone, etc. It also includes names of fruits and vegetables like apple, orange, potato, carrot, etc. Common nouns are everywhere and we use them all the time. Wherever you go, you will at least find one common noun. Like if we talk about right now, where are you sitting? You are sitting in a room. There are so many things that you can name, like room, pen, pencil, table, chair, fan. All these are common nouns. Actually, we can differentiate between the common noun and the proper noun by saying that a common noun is a general way of classifying something, whereas a proper noun is a specific way of classifying something. For example, girl, it is a common noun, okay? But if we say Ankita, then it is a proper noun because we are talking about a particular girl named Ankita, all right? So now let us discuss some more examples of the difference between the proper noun and the common noun. So look at the example number 1. My favorite newspaper is The Tribune. So here newspaper is a common noun, all right, and The Tribune is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular newspaper. Okay? So now look at the example number 2. Neha is a girl. So here Neha is a proper noun because we are talking about a particular girl named Neha, and girl here is a common noun. All right. Example number 3 is Mr. Gupta is a painter. So here Mr. Gupta, we are talking about a particular person who is a painter. So Mr. Gupta is a proper noun and painter is a common noun. All right. So now I hope that the concepts of proper nouns and common nouns are clear to you, and now you can easily differentiate between a proper noun and a common noun. All right. So this is all for today, and we will meet once again in the next part of this video, in which we will study about the collective nouns. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.